Hello! In this video I will show you how to wipe cache partition on HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And from this menu you have to select Clear Data and then choose Wipe Cache Partition. Now you can choose Back and click Restart. And your device will now go back to its Android system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.